Okay, my lovely scientists, I'm going to show you plane mirror diagrams with rays. And I'm going to get it right so that you get it right when we do assessments. Okay, let's watch this. I've drawn already my mirror, but I've missed off the hatching on the back because it gets in the way when I'm drawing my diagrams. I've drawn a pretty blue eye, and I've drawn a one-eared cat. He's been fighting with people or other cats, and he's lost an ear in a battle. Step number one, I've written up here, is draw the image first. It's got to be erect, it's got to be the same size as the original, and it's got to be flipped. So when we draw it, it's going to be flipped in the mirror. It's going to be also the same distance from here to here. So that distance there should be the same distance as that distance. We're going to draw it as a dotted line. They're dotted. And obviously it says flipped as well. So let's draw this cat. I might fast forward this bit for you. Now you can see that I've labelled my object O for object and my image I for image. Ooh, I've made it dotted. I'll make it dotted. And he's flipped, he's erect, he's standing up, and he's the same size. The distances are the same. So measure from this eye to the mirror, it's 18 centimetres. The opposite eye on the same side is 18 centimetres as well. So it all fits. The next step, if I look at my list, is choose a special point. Now obviously the cat's eyes are a special point, but the cat's ears are more fun. So I'm going to choose the ear as the first special point. Here's my special ear, and I'm going to draw a line from the tip of that ear up to my eye. When you're doing it, nice straight line, the only part of the ray which is real is the bit in front of the mirror. So I'm going to draw that as a solid line. The bit behind the mirror is just imaginary. So I'm going to draw it as a dotted line. Because it's a ray, I have to show the direction the light goes, and it goes from the mirror towards the eye. The next step is to draw a line from the real object to the mirror. And draw in the direction it goes. So there it is, it's going in, and if you're clever, you'll have noticed that the normal line that would go in here N for normal, is at the same angle going in and coming out. The incident and reflected rays are the same. That's the first one done. Because we're doing a ray diagram, we always choose 2 points. So we're going to choose another point. I'm going to choose the cat's nose. So we do the same thing. I'm going to change colour. I'm going to go blue, just so it stands out a bit differently from the black I used before. There's the cat's nose, to the eye, to the nose. Draw my line, the real line, the dotted line for the imaginary image that's behind the mirror. Goes all the way down. Put on our arrows showing the direction. Next step is to go from the object, the cat, his real nose to the mirror, and a nice line going on there, and I put the direction on there as well. So now we're getting the idea that there's a perspective. It goes from bigger to smaller, or it goes from bigger to smaller. And we've got where our object is. We can put our normal line in there, but it's going to make it look messy. Okay? It's all done. I hope that makes it more clear than last time. Take care. Bye-bye.